Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download Unreal Engine on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, open up your browser and go to the epicgames.com. Just type here Epic Games, and you need to open their official website page, and then just make sure that you have created an account on Epic Games. So in case you don't have your account, you just click on sign in, and then from there you can create your new account just for free. But if you already have your account on Epic Games, all you have to do is just download the Epic Games launcher onto your PC. So to download that, just simply click on the download button and wait a little bit, and there we go. Click on start download and we're gonna install Epic Games installer in my PC. Once you have downloaded the Epic Games launcher, you just have to open the folder, and here it is. You just need to run the setup. So now Epic Games launcher is installed on my PC. Now all you have to do is just log in your account here, and then we can install the Unreal Engine as well. So I'm gonna enter my login. Now I have logged into my account on Epic Games Launcher, and you can see that I am currently on store page. So now you have to go to the Unreal Engine tab on the left side, and when you click it, we're gonna take you to the Unreal Engine section. So from here you need to go to the library section, and under the engine version it will gonna show you whatever engine versions that are currently installed on your PC. Right now it is blank, that means I don't have any Unreal Engine version installed on my PC. So to install a new one, you just have to click on this plus icon, and from here you need to select the Unreal Engine version, whatever version you want to download or work on. So in my case I'm gonna download this 5.6.1 version. So we just click on it, and then we can click on install, and then we're gonna tell us to choose the install location wherever we want to install the Unreal Engine. So in my case I'm gonna install it on my NVMe drive, that is my C drive. So if you want to download it somewhere else, you can just simply click on browse and choose whatever directory you want to give. But I would suggest to install it on your SSD or NVMe drive for improved performance and speed. So I'm gonna keep everything as it is, but I'm gonna just click on this option button here, and you can also tick or untick these extra install options that you don't need. So in my case I'm not gonna go with Android or iOS things. I'm just gonna go with core component, starter content, templates and feature packs, and engine sources, and then I'm gonna click apply and install. Okay, so now Unreal Engine is installed on my PC, and if I click on downloads, you can see that Unreal Engine is installed, and it also installed these two plugins, one for Fab and one for Quixel Bridge. And now we can just simply click on launch to open this up. So when you open Unreal Engine for the first time, we're gonna ask you for some firewall permissions. I'm gonna allow it, and it would gonna compile some shaders. I'm gonna allow this as well, and for now I'm gonna create a third person template. I'm just gonna leave everything as it is, and I'm just gonna click on create, and you can see we're gonna compile some shaders, and then we're gonna launch. Now, depending on your hardware, your CPU, your RAM, it will gonna take time for compiling shaders. Also, if you have installed Unreal Engine on your NVMe drive or SSD, it will gonna compile shaders much faster as compared to Unreal Engine installed on your hard drive. So I would suggest you to download Unreal Engine on your SSD or NVMe drive. Okay, so now here we are in Unreal Engine editor, and as you can see, we are still preparing our shaders, and if I click on play button, I can play the game. I can move around, and some shaders are being compiled in background, so let them finish, and I guess they're done. Yep, now you see we have Unreal Engine installed on our PC. So that's it for this video, and hope you like it. If you like it, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.